Christmas tree, Tiik?
Yeah, I want to decorate the Christmas tree, Tiik. Let's look at the Christmas tree, Tiik. Look. Ooh, it's a Christmas tree. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Is that a Christmas tree, Tiik? Wee. It is extra tall. Extra tall. What's in the box, Tiik? Oh, look at the box. Is that your box, Tiik? Babe, can I teach you how to make a nice sauce for the chicken?
Okay, saucy.
Okay, so you gotta get a little bit of ginger and garlic from the fridge.
Alright.
Right, I'll do it. There's the garlic. And there's the ginger. I'm teaching him to make this sauce, but I'm actually making this sauce myself.
Yeah, I'll watch the video after.
Oh yeah, no, you'll watch the vlog afterwards. Okay, this is how the learning goes. Okay. Right, so we got the minced garlic and the minced ginger in here. And now I'm going to just like a little witch, I'm going to add lots of things to the brew. What do we do first? Some ketchup, some black vinegar. The lighting in here is terrible. Some sesame oil. What else? What else? Anything else? Anything else? Maybe a bit of soy sauce, tiny bit. And then we stirs it. Every time I do this without a recipe, so I never do the same thing, and I always forget what I did the last time. So, you know. Looking great again. It's Monday morning, so we've gone into day 2 of this vlog, which is kind of like not the Vlogmas way, but who cares? I make the rules. I just took Zephyr to school, cleaned the cat litter because I usually do that on a Sunday, but I didn't get around to it yesterday, or just like didn't really have the energy. So I did that just now, picked up some more things, health things. I picked up some vitamins, vitamin D specifically, because I had run out, and thought I would also get a multivitamin, just, you know, to be a bit more like, I'm very haphazard. Like, I have multivitamins and vitamin stuff, but the only thing that I take regularly is vitamin C, because it's like it's on my desk, and they're chewable tablets. But I'm gonna try and be a bit better at like taking vitamins at least throughout the winter. What else did I get? Oh, some throat kind of like lozenges, kind of antiseptic numbing lozenges, because I've now got like one of those annoying dry coughs. This has been Iris's cold update. Moving on to other things. Gonna make some breakfast, and then I've got a pretty big to-do list for this week. I'm just hoping that I will have the energy to do everything. This morning I am packing an order that came in over the weekend. I have to like look at my to-do list to actually know what I'm doing. Oh yes, I have to work on a commission painting, which is very exciting. I have already started working. I'm not working on one specific painting. I'm making a series and then like just seeing where they're going, because I kind of feel like if I were to just work on one and feel like this is gonna be it, this is gonna be the masterpiece that the person has commissioned, then that would be too much pressure. So I'm making multiple things just in my own kind of way, my own style, and then I'll just see where it goes, see which one ends up being the favorite. So I will be spending some time on that. And then what else? I need to start editing Not a Real Artist season 2, and I still need to like keep going with setting up my computer, my new one. So plenty of things to do. I'm sure there's other things that I wrote on my list. Oh yes, of course, I need to do Patreon sticker design. I've already decided what I'm doing and I've taken the high-res pictures and stuff. I just need to like edit them and like put them into Silhouette and all that kind of stuff and print and cut them. There's a video, like a very detailed step-by-step video over on my Patreon if you are curious about how I make my stickers. That's over on the RT Impressions and above tiers. Anyway, I'm gonna make my tea and crispy minis and get going with the day. Vlog, Tiik? Okay. What's up, Tiik? What are you doing, Tiik? Yep, there's something going in the mail, getting picked up. What are you doing? Look at that tail. Aww, the baby.
The reluctant.
Oh, baby doesn't want to be. Oh, does not want to be baby. No. Aww, cute. An artist date. Say hi to Tiara and to Kaylee. You have to say something, Kaylee, so that you come on the screen. Ah, there she is. Okay, I don't know where my tripod is, so we're just gonna go with this slightly, sorry, that was a burp, unflattering angle. I just had an art date. That was fun. I can't show you any of the things that I did because I have been working on this commission painting. The person concerned watches my vlog. You know who you are. And so I don't know yet, like, which one of this is going to turn out to be the one. Maybe none of these, actually, so in which case I could show them, but let's, oh, no, I'm cutting that out. Okay, but I'm gonna just, like, show you, like, a tiny little, like, what about, like, oh, look, it's a tiny little corner. And I can show you, well, this isn't anything yet, so I can show you a bit more of this one, like, ooh, interesting, yes. What about this one? We're not showing this either, like a tiny little corner. Ooh, intriguing, right? So, yes, so that's what I have been, do not show it in view, been working on whilst chatting away to Kaylee and Tiara. That was really nice. What else? Okay, so I am still undecided about whether I'm going to choir. I need to leave, I don't know, at some point. I need to go if I'm going. But am I going is the question. The thing is, I feel fine. Like, I feel like I will regret it if I don't go. But I should do a COVID test, because obviously if I have COVID, I'm not going. I don't think I have COVID, but like, we'll just do a test. And then I think if the test is negative, I will go because I feel fine. And I'm already, like, how long have I had this cold now? it started coming on like Monday or Tuesday last week. So we're talking about a full week now. So I think I'm talking myself into it. So yeah. Okay, in any case, this has been 2 days of vlogging, very anti-vlogmas, because that's obviously supposed to be like, oh good, there's the camera. That's supposed to be like 1 vlog a day, which I already knew I wasn't doing. This is the content you're here for, right? Me rambling. So I think I need to close out this vlog so that I can actually edit it. But I'm probably not going to edit it until tomorrow. So if I happen to go to my choir rehearsal and record some footage, you know, these are 2 big ifs obviously, then I might put some in here. But if not, like, comment, subscribe, and if yes, like, comment, subscribe, and watch the next 10 seconds of my choir rehearsal. Bye!